welcome back. So having generated our AI voice, all right, I want to show you how you can enhance that voice. All right, our voice meanwhile is good, but take for instance that you don't even want to use AI voice, you want to use your own voice. Maybe you want to record something with your own voice and you recorded it with your phone. Usually when you record something with your phone, the voice looks very unprofessional, crampy. All right, it doesn't look like a voice that was recorded in the studio. But there is a free tool online that you can use to enhance the quality of your voice. All right, so we're going to try to enhance that voice we generated from voicebooking.com and try to see the difference between the normal voice and the enhanced voice. So you go to Adobe Podcast. All right, go to Adobe Podcast. All right, Adobe Podcast. All right, just type it, Adobe Podcast. All right, Adobe Podcast. Okay, Adobe Podcast. You can already see the Adobe Podcast Audio Enhancer. Or just go to Adobe Podcast. You can see the link here, podcast.adobe.com. All right, so I'm going to click on the link, and clicking on the link, now you can see up here. You can see quick tools. All right, quick tools. I'm going to click on the quick tools, and I'm going to see enhanced speech. You can see enhanced speech. So I'm going to click on this whole box here. All right, so you can see it. So it's telling me to sign up. All right, so you see every of these things you have to sign up. But I'm already signed up. But if you visit to this page, you can sign up. So let me click on sign up and show you how to do it. All right, signing up, you can just I think you can even sign up with your email. All right, you can see you can create an account here. So click on this Google icon at the top here, or it's simple. Just enter your email here. Enter your email. You can see where the push is link. You enter your email here and come down here and enter your password and click on continue. So after you have done that, if they say they sent a verification for your email, just like the way we do that voice booking, after registration they sent a verification link to you. So you have to just go to your email and verify. But meanwhile, I don't think Adobe Podcast does that. But if it does that, you already know what to do. So I'm going to just log in because I already have an account. So I'm going to click on sign in. All right, I'm going to click on sign in, and I'm going to select my email. I think I signed it with Google. So I'm going to do continue with Google. Continue with Google. I'm going to select my email again because I use that email to sign in. All right. So let's see what happens. So you can see I'm signing here. So look at the difference between voices. So you can see this thing here, this whole thing here, this thing here. You can see. Let me play that audio.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best.
So that is how your voice sounds after you record with your phone, and that might not be too good. So let me turn on the enhanced speech for this voice. I'm going to turn it on, and let's listen to it again.
Best place to record audio. Yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I
so you can see
recorded this in a professional studio.
So you can see how that voice sounded. So that is the same thing we're going to be doing to that AI voice we generated. So I'm going to click on upload. All right, I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to select that audio that we generated from voice booking. All right, so I'm going to go here and find audio, and let me go to downloads. All right, downloads. So you can see it here. You can see the audio here, wisdom quote. All right, wisdom quote. So I'm going to code it and select it and click on select at the top. All right, so it will start enhancing the speech. All right, so let's wait for it to finish enhancing. This might take some few minutes depending on the strength of your network. So just wait for it to finish enhancing it, and we are going to play it. All right, so my own have just finished enhancing it. So now look at the normal one. So I just turned this off now. So let me play it and so that you can see how it sounds.
True wisdom comes from asking questions, seeking answers, and learning from our mistakes along the way.
All right, you can see how that sounds. So let's turn it on and see if there's any improvement.
True wisdom comes from asking questions, seeking answers, and learning from our mistakes along the way.
So the change is very, very insignificant, just that you reduce some noise a bit, but you will see the power of this if you recorded the thing with your own voice. All right, if you recorded it with your own voice, and just like this one here,
I'm in a conference room with the window open.
This is how your voice is going to sound. But when you turn on the enhanced speech
and it's pretty echoey in here too, not the best place to record audio.
So you can see how it works. All right, so I'm just showing you this in case you need to do this to your voice before using it. All right, so having enhanced our audio, so let me just click on download, and you can see the name will be renamed Wisdom Quote 1 and inside bracket enhanced. All right, so I'm going to click on download to download it. All right, so now we have our characters generated, we have our audio generated, that is the voice generated, and we have our voice enhanced if you need to do that. All right, we have it enhanced, and the next thing we're going to do is to now combine both and make our AI character to speak those voices. All right, so let us go to the next class. Thank you, stay tuned.